Hey, America. How you doing, fellow countrymen and women? I got an idea. See this beautiful, pristine everything? You know, where we come to enjoy nature? Hey, here's my idea. It's pretty fucking radical. Stop throwing your motherfucking trash on the ground. Okay? Cigarette butts. They're not biodegradable unless you smoke American Spirits, which none of these butts have that marking. So, yeah, crazy, lunatic. I'm so over the top, but stop throwing your trash on the ground in nature. Okay? Okay.